Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can recover deleted Snapchat memories or snaps in your iPhone. So let's get start the video without wasting any time. So I'm going to show you guys that how you can recover permanently deleted Snapchat story on your Snapchat on iPhone. So before we start the video guys, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. So here's the Snapchat as you can see. So first of all open Snapchat and go to the setting. Then guys scroll all the way down, then click on my data. Now guys you need to log into your Snapchat account. Now let me log in my account. So guys once you're login, scroll down all the way. Now enter the email address where you want to receive the data file. So guys as you can see there is all the data is available, login history and account information, basic information, device, snap history, receive snap history, send snap history, and everything. So just enter the email address here where you want to receive your like uh, data file. So I'm going to select the same email, so enter the same email address here, then simply click on submit request. So once the request is submitted, so as you can see we have received your request, we are preparing copy of your data. Now we will send email. So guys after this they will email you a copy of your data, so you need to check your email address after few hours. So uh, hope you guys like this video. If you do guys, leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching guys.